Hello student, myself Joshi sir. Today we are going to discuss the nomenclature of alkyne. See, alk means total number of carbon and yne means carbon-carbon triple bond. The general formula is CnH2n minus 2. See, what is the general formula? CnH2n minus 2, and the functional group of the alkyne is carbon-carbon triple bond. What is the functional group? Carbon-carbon triple bond. Now see, according to this nomenclature chart, we have two types of nomenclature. One common name and second is the IUPAC. The common is called as trivial and IUPAC International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, see, according to formula, if we consider n is equal to 2, that is the 2 number, then the molecular formula is C2H2. That is, in a structural formula they possess two carbon which is present in with triple bond CH triple bond CH. See, according to common name, when two carbon and a triple bond is present, then it is called as acetylene. What they called? Acetylene. And according to IUPAC, two carbon means eth having yne, so it is called as ethyne, that is ethyne. What is it called? Ethyne. Okay. Now, if we consider number of carbon 3, then what is the molecular formula? C3H4. C3H4. 3 carbon in a straight chain. First and second possess triple bond. Okay. See, according to common name, carbon-carbon triple bond indicate it is acetylene and one methyl group is present. So it is called as methyl acetylene. And according to IUPAC, 3 carbon that is called as prop and first carbon possesses triple bond, so it is called as prop 1 YNE. Okay. Now see, next n is equal to 4. If we consider n is equal to 4, we got two structures. See, in the first structure, 4 carbon in a straight chain and first carbon possesses triple bond. In a second structure, we have again 4 carbon in a straight chain and carbon carbon triple bond is on the second carbon. Okay, so see, these two are positional isomer. Why they called positional isomer? Because it possesses carbon carbon triple bond to the first and second carbon. Okay, means that they possess same structural formula, just different in the position of the triple bond, that is the functional group. See, 4 carbon in a straight chain and first carbon possesses triple bond. See, as carbon carbon triple bond, then it is considered as acetylene, and a CH2 CH, that is ethyl group on a second carbon, so it is called as ethyl acetylene. What is it called? Ethyl acetylene. And according to IUPAC, 4 carbon means but, first carbon possesses triple bond, that is YNE, so it is called as but 1 YNE or 1 butyne. Where in a second structure, 4 carbon in a straight chain, second and third possess triple bond. Means triple bond is present in between the second and third. Okay, see, carbon carbon triple bond, that is the acetylene, and the second and third carbon possess methyl group, so methyl methyl dimethyl, so it is considered as dimethyl acetylene. Now according to IPSC, it is considered as but 2 YNE. It is called as but 2 YNE because it possesses 4 carbon and second possesses triple bond, but2-ine or 2-butyne. Okay, now n is equal to 5. If we consider n is equal to 5, we got three structures. The molecular formula C5H8. C5H8. See, in a first structure, 5 carbon in a straight chain, first carbon possesses triple bond. Now, in a second structure, 5 carbon in a straight chain and triple bond on a second carbon. These two are positional isomer of each other. Same structural formula, just change the position of the functional group. In a third, 4 carbon in a straight chain and 1 methyl group is in a branching, means it is chain isomer. Basically, we have two types of isomer, chain isomer and position. So first two are the positional isomer and third is the chain isomer with these two. Okay, see, in the first structure, 5 carbon in a straight chain, First possess triple bond. The triple bonded carbon are considered as acetylene, and third, fourth, and fifth methyl group, that is the CH2, CH2, CH3, that is propyl group attached to second carbon, so it is considered as propyl acetylene. It is called as propyl acetylene. Okay, 5 carbon in a straight chain, so called as pent, and first possess triple bond, that is YNE, 1 pentyne. Where in a second structure, 5 carbon in a straight chain, second and third between triple bond is present. So see, carbon triple bond carbon is called as acetylene. Second carbon possesses one methyl group, that is methyl, and third carbon possesses ethyl group. So the name is ethyl methyl acetylene. Are you getting? It is very simple. Just draw carbon triple bond carbon nomenclature as a acetylene. Give CH3 to the second carbon, called as methyl acetylene, and give C2H5 to the third carbon, called as ethyl acetylene. So ethyl methyl acetylene. 5 carbon in a straight chain, so called as pent. Second possesses triple bond, that is 2YNE. Total number of carbon in a straight chain 5, and that second carbon possesses triple bond, so it is called as pent 2YNE or 2-pentyne. Now see in a third structure. See, first and second carbon triple bond carbon, that is acetylene, and 3 carbon is in a branched, so it is called as secondary propyl acetylene. What is the name? Secondary. See, in a first structure, carbon fifth, carbon 5, first structure, 3 carbon in a straight chain. Now in a third carbon, 3 carbon in a branching. So the first structure propyl acetylene, and third structure secondary propyl acetylene. Okay. Now what is IUPAC nomenclature? It is 1, 2, 3. 3 third position possess methyl group, so it is called as 3 methyl but 1 YNE. That is 1 butane. Okay. Now if we consider n is equal to 6, as we possess n is equal to 6, the molecular formula C6H10. As C6H10, there are 6 carbon in a straight chain. There are 6 carbon in a straight chain, and first possess triple bond. So it is called as 1 hexyne or hex 1 YNE. Now see, according to common name, C triple bond C called as acetylene, and the 4 carbon, 3, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, this 4 carbon chain attached to that. So it is called as N-butyl acetylene. Okay. In the second structure, C triple bond C remaining substituent. See, in this group, left side CH3 and right side C3H7, that is the propyl group. So what is the nomenclature? Methyl propyl acetylene. 6 carbon in a straight chain, so called as hex. Second position possesses triple bond, that is hex 2 YNE. Okay, or 2 hexyne. In the third structure, we have 6 carbon in a straight chain, and third carbon possesses triple bond. So what is the IUPAC nomenclature? Hex 3 YNE or 3 hexyne. And 2 ethyl group are substituted at the acetylene group. Like listen, लक्षात घ्या, कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड जिथे आहे ना, त्याला आपण म्हणणार ऍसिटिलीन. त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला 2 इथिल ग्रुप आहे. So it is called as diethyl acetylene. Okay, and IUPAC name X3YNE. C. In a fourth structure, we have CH triple bond C, and by leaving these 2 carbon, we have 4 carbon, but in a branched. See, in a first structure, third, fourth, fifth, sixth is in a branched or is in a other than acetylene. Here are also 4 carbon other than acetylene, but which arrange according to secondary format. See, in a first structure and fourth structure, both 4 carbon chain is different, so it is called as secondary butyl acetylene. What is it called? Secondary butyl acetylene. So according to IUPAC name, number from triple bonded side 1, 2, 3. So 3 methyl pent 1 YNE. In a fifth structure, see, again same condition, but here the 4 carbon branching is slightly different. It possesses 1 tertiary carbon, so that's why they possess isobutyl acetylene. While numbering, give lower number from where triple bond is nearer, so it is called as 4 methyl pent 1 YNE. See the next structure, Branching increases, we have 4 carbon in a straight chain and the 2 methyl substituent present on third position. See, third carbon is a tertiary carbon. By leaving acetylene, CH triple bond C is considered as acetylene and the remaining 4 carbon in a tertiary format, so that's why they are considered as tertiary butyl acetylene. What is the name? Tertiary butyl acetylene. It is called as 3,3-dimethyl but 1-YNE. What is the IUPAC nomenclature? 3,3-dimethyl 1-butene. Now the seventh and last structure. We have 5 carbon in a straight chain. Fourth position possesses methyl group and the triple bond present in between the 2 and 3. So according to common name, as we considered the second and third carbon is the acetylene group. So one methyl group on a second carbon and the secondary propyl 3 carbon but secondary format, secondary propyl. So it is called as methyl secondary propyl acetylene and according to the IUPAC name, it is called as 4-methyl hex 2-YNE or 2-hexyne. Okay. These are the basic nomenclature of the alkyne from carbon 2 to carbon 6. In the next lecture, we discuss the more 2 triple bond, 1 triple bond, 1 double bond means more structures and the nature of carbon as well as the bond line formula of the alkane and alkane and alkyne. And in forwarding lectures, we are going to discuss the nomenclature of different functional group. Okay, so continue watching, continue studying, stay home, stay safe. Okay, good day.